For the Module 2 assignment, the agility assessment that I've been assigned with is the T-test. Now, the T-test is used for measuring agility, reaction, and capabilities and speed in multiple planes. It measures an athlete's ability to go from linear to lateral movements very quickly, and also from going from a complete sprint to decelerating, accelerating, linear, lateral movements, all that stuff. Now, you don't need much for the T-test. All you need is 4 cones, like so. White. And a nice little T shape like I have here. Just like the name of the test, you're going to be doing a T-shape agility movement. Now, I would normally do this with an athlete or a client who is a little more experienced. I probably wouldn't give this to a beginner. I just think there are other less advanced tests out there that are more suitable for beginners when compared to this test. Now, all you're doing, or the client's doing, is starting from the first cone, running up to the middle cone, shuffling to the side, karaokeing all the way back to the opposite end cone, shuffling back again to the middle, and then backpedaling back to exactly where you started from. I'm going to show that more detailed in a second, but this is a movement that when you're doing this, you want to be on a field. Because you're cutting so quickly, going from linear to lateral movements, you're stopping and going really quickly. You don't want to be on concrete. I'm on my driveway here just for the purpose of the assignment, but normally I'd have them on turf, hopefully in cleats. Next thing down, I would do field, or even if the client's an advanced athlete, you could have them do it on some sand for a tough beach workout. But so just to show in full movement how the test goes, I'm just gonna prop this up here. The trainer will say go, sprint, good stop, shuffling to one side, karaokeing to the opposite end, shuffling back to the middle, and then backpedaling back to the cone you started from. And that's how it should look like. Again, when an athlete's doing it, they're going to be going much harder, going all the way out. I, unfortunately, for this video, didn't have a measuring tool or enough space, but the T leg from the start to the middle cone should be 10 yards. And the top of the T, one end to the opposite end, should be also 10 yards. So the top of the T is 10 and the bottom's 10. So usually one of the cons to this test is needing supplies like cones, a good field where the athlete can have good footing, and a measuring tool to make sure you have the correct distance. So those are some of the cons, but other than that, phenomenal test or agility assessment. Even a good drill, even if you're not testing, just want the athlete to have a couple linear lateral movements to get them warmed up or started in a workout. This is a great movement. I've done it personally with just about any athlete I've worked with. And again, I think it's a great first movement when introducing linear and lateral movements into a client's program design.